In this video series, I'm going to go over with you how you can make your transition to Windows 8 easier. That is, if you're using a previous version of Windows where you're used to seeing the desktop. Windows 8 has kind of a dual personality in that you have a start screen that is a tiled screen that is more appropriate for touch devices, and then you also have your desktop mode. Okay, so when you go to your desktop mode, you might recognize this. Now the problem is that if you've been used to using the desktop mode and you're suddenly presented with this when you log in, it can be quite an adjustment. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through how you can tweak this so that it looks more familiar to you. You can use the desktop as you always have. And then after that, we're going to talk about some of the great things that you can do in Windows 8 by using the touch-centric interface. Now, one thing about this, although it is built for touch, it's not a big deal to use it with a mouse. I am using a computer with a mouse, and all I got to do is scroll with my mouse wheel, and I can go back and forth in here with no issue at all, and just point and click. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be going over this as a person using a keyboard and mouse rather than somebody that's using a touch screen with the gestures. If you're using gestures, it's just swiping from the bottom or from the sides, up and down, and so on. But what I'm going to show you with the mouse, because most people transitioning to Windows 8 will be transitioning with a non-touch device. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to start by setting up our desktop.